it's Shreya. Running a business is a lot of work, especially if your home is your office. Thankfully, I have the perfect workspace to keep me organized and productive. This foldable desk is a perfect example of using space efficiently. It folds completely so you can store it easily, and it is packed with functionality. Measuring 23 into 15 inches, this has ample space for working, reading, as well as activities like arts and crafts. The group provided for tablets and Kindles is so convenient for multitasking. I can also keep myself hydrated throughout the day because of the cup holder. The desk itself has enough space for my laptop and books, but the extra drawer provided is such a blessing because I can keep my phone and stationery handy without compromising on working space. This desk is so practical and functional, it helps me to stay on top of my schedules at all times because it's so efficient. I hope you like this.